Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, Urban Rides Hub. Today, we're diving into the world of electric vehicles with a focus on the 2025 BYD van. This innovative van is poised to revolutionize the commercial vehicle industry with its cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and sustainable features. Let's explore what makes the BYD van a game-changer. The BYD van offers a spacious and versatile interior that can be configured to suit various needs. The cabin is designed with comfort and practicality in mind, featuring comfortable seating, ample storage space, and advanced technology features. The cargo area is spacious and easily accessible, making it ideal for transporting goods and equipment. The BYD van boasts a sleek and aerodynamic design that sets it apart from traditional commercial vans. The clean lines, bold front grille, and stylish headlights give it a modern and futuristic look. The aerodynamic shape helps to reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. The BYD van is powered by a high-performance electric motor that delivers impressive acceleration and torque. The electric powertrain provides a smooth and quiet driving experience, making it ideal for urban and suburban environments. The long-range battery ensures that you can cover significant distances without needing to recharge. The BYD van is packed with advanced technology features that enhance both driver comfort and safety. A large touchscreen infotainment system offers navigation, connectivity, and entertainment options. Driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking ensure a safe and comfortable driving experience. As an electric vehicle, the BYD van contributes to a cleaner and more sustainable future. With zero tailpipe emissions, it helps reduce air pollution and combat climate change. The efficient electric powertrain also translates to lower operating costs, making it a cost-effective choice for businesses. The BYD van competes with other electric commercial vehicles, such as the Ford e-Transit and the Mercedes-Benz ES Sprinter. While these competitors offer similar benefits, the BYD van's advanced technology, competitive pricing, and strong performance make it a compelling choice for businesses. The exact pricing and availability of the BYD van will vary depending on the region and specific configurations. However, it's expected to be competitively priced for an electric commercial vehicle. The BYD van is a groundbreaking vehicle that represents the future of commercial transportation. With its innovative electric powertrain, advanced technology, and commitment to sustainability, it's a compelling choice for businesses seeking a more efficient and eco-friendly solution. What are your thoughts on the BYD van? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Urban Rides Hub for more car reviews and updates.